my name's John. We've had the garage about 7 years. We do MOTs, class 4, 7, servicing, commercial and non-commercial vehicles. We've got about 6 techs, 7 ramps, 1 MOT station.
What was your biggest frustration you had before working with us?
So we're on a diary system where we wrote in all the jobs that were coming in. The mechanics would take the jobs, you know, which job was the best for them. Now we allocate them and it's more suitable for booking in work and how much work we book in.
What made you choose TechMan over other garage management systems?
It was a recommendation from another local garage, so yeah. They showed us a system and we liked it. We had a demo and we didn't really look at anyone else.
How easy was it to get started with TechMan, like the setup and training and whatnot?
Yeah, the setup and training was good. We did a month overlap and then we went live, and we've had it about 3-4 years now, and yeah, we've not really looked back.
Which integrations do you use and why are they important to your workflow?
We use the GSF integration for ordering parts. We order 60% of parts off GSF. We can see stock from when we've got a job, so that's quite useful. Auto data, we pay for licenses and we pay for auto data on TechMan, and I think we'll probably stop paying for the other auto data license, so yeah.
How has TechMan improved your day-to-day operations?
The improvement's really been from scheduling the work. It makes it a lot easier to see how much work you've got in. Online bookings is good for us as well, because a lot of our regular customers use online bookings and we don't have to, you know, spend time booking them in.
Which part of the business improved more than you expected?
I think it was really the vehicle reminders that started generating more work. Previous we had to send them out manually, and that was time consuming, and ones got forgot. So, you know, this is all automatic, and it's really helped expand the amount of work that we book in.
So would you say that's changed the way your front office and reception team handles bookings and inquiries then?
Yeah, because they go through the same booking in procedure, and it makes it a lot more straightforward.
How do you find TechMan's customer support and ongoing assistance?
Yeah, I speak to the help desk staff a fair amount. They come back to me, they're very knowledgeable, and I've had no issues.
Overall, was using TechMan easier than you thought it would be?
Yeah, the onboarding process was straightforward. It is very straightforward to use. We don't really have, you know, we train new staff and they pick it up fairly quickly, yeah.
Would you recommend TechMan to other garages?
Yeah, I would.
If you're facing challenges similar to those our customers faced before, get in touch with us today. Just click the link below to book your demo and see how TechMan can transform your garage.